Now it is the case of the ComEd 4. Jury selection is now underway in a corruption trial accusing ComEd officials of trying to bribe former Illinois House Speaker Mike Madigan. And the judge today made a key decision about secret recordings with Madigan, ruling the public will be allowed to hear them. NBC 5's Charlie Wojciechowski is at the Dirksen Federal Building in the Loop.
Madigan confidant Michael McLean arrives at the Dirksen Federal Building for what could be an historic corruption trial. He, along with former ComEd lobbyist John Hooker, former City Club President Jay Doherty, and former ComEd CEO Ann Palmaggiore are accused of being part of an influence peddling scheme to promote the utilities agenda by illegally providing jobs, contracts, and money to people linked to former House Speaker Mike Madigan. He is not on trial in this particular case, but attorneys argued that his case could be influenced by a reversal on the part of Judge Harry Leinenweber that would allow secret audio recordings of Madigan and his associates to be released to the media after they are played for jurors in court. McLean defense attorney Patrick Cotter objected, claiming that potential jurors in the Madigan trial could wind up hearing a media-selected greatest hits collection of the evidence against his client before his trial starts. Media lawyer Brian Saucier responded that saying the release, which is typical at other trials, would not be done for ratings, but in the name of good journalism, and would allow for better public understanding of what is being presented. Madigan was indicted for racketeering about a year ago. His trial is not expected to begin until April of 2024. And time is expected to play a major factor in this trial. The judge has been told it could take as long as 2 months, and he is questioning potential jurors about their commitment. Can they afford to spend that much time here at the Dirksen Federal Building? That questioning of jurors, potential jurors, resumes here tomorrow morning. At the Dirksen, Charlie Wojciechowski, NBC 5 News.